Hey coders, I'm Ankit. I'm here to guide you through the process of converting a Figma design into code using HTML or React.js. Step 1. Either create a new Figma account or sign into your existing one. Step 2. Examining the design. Once you're in Figma, we'll explore the design elements of our chosen community-free version landing page. We'll take a closer look at the CSS styles of various elements to prepare for the code conversion. Step 3. Choose a specific page from the Figma design that you'd like to convert into code. To assist in this process, we'll be using Anima, so ensure you've signed into your Anima account. Here, you can observe that we have generated code that can be seamlessly integrated into your project. Additionally, you have the flexibility to obtain code tailored for Tailwind CSS or TypeScript JavaScript. Simply select the desired option from the available filters. Furthermore, you have the option to utilize Code Sandbox to experiment and play around with the generated code. This will allow you to fine-tune and adapt the code to perfectly suit your project's requirements. Here, you can observe the design of the same page, complete with CSS styles. You can now seamlessly incorporate this design into your own project, making it a valuable asset for your web development endeavors. As we wrap up this tutorial, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this journey. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your web development endeavors. Remember that converting Figma designs into HTML or React.js code can be a powerful skill to have in your toolkit. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy coding, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.